Hello all, welcome to Life Skills from Sanskrit. I'm Chigar. Today we are going to look at a couplet that talks about the importance of unity and forging an alliance. So without wasting any time, let's just jump into it. Alpanamapi vastunam samhatihi karyasadhika trune gunatvamanir badhyante mattadantinaha. Let me repeat that. Alpanamapi vastunam samhatihi karyasadhika Trunirgunatvamanir badhyante mattadantinaha. What we're going to do is we're going to divide this into two bits and then look at them individually. So let's have a look at the first bit. The first bit says Alpanamapi vastunam samhatihi karyasadhika. Now what this couplet does is it gives us a beautiful example and the moral. Of course, the moral is in the first bit and the example is in the second. So what the first bit says is it doesn't matter who you are. It's about who you're with. Alpanamapi vastunam. That it says even the small things, if they come together, they can become big. They can achieve anything that they want. And that is what we need to remember. It's not about how we do things. It's about the support and the system that we have around us. Even if we're small, even if we do not have all the skills and everything that we need to succeed, what we need to have is a good support system, other people or things around us that can help us achieve our goals. And that's the main idea, that look, to become successful, it's not just about you. It's about you coming together with everyone and everything. You need to realize what kind of support you need, whether it will be physical or mental or out of resources, and you want to make sure you gather all those needs. If you do that, if you can form a unity with all of those, and if you can have an alliance with other people or those things, then you will definitely succeed. You will find that you will be able to achieve anything under the sun if you have the right support and resources to help you out. And that's exactly what this couplet says, that look, doesn't matter who you are, it's about how you're supported. If you've got good friends, if you've got good resources, and if you've got good co-workers, you can achieve anything. Now, let's have a look at the second bit. The second bit says, Trune gunatvamanir badhyante mattadantinaha. Now, as I said, the second bit gives us an example. So the first bit says, look, doesn't matter how big or small you are. It's all about your company. It's all about having unity. The example in the second bit is of a rope. Now, a rope is made of thousands of little strands of ropes. Individually, those strands will break and rip easily. But when put together, they form a very strong rope. And what that rope can achieve is that rope can actually tie an out of control elephant, which is one of the biggest mammals that we've got. So a little strand might not be able to stop that elephant, but a lot of those strands coming together, forming a big rope, can definitely stop that elephant. And that's the moral of the story, that look, if you don't have the right resources, if you don't have the right skills, all you need to do is reach out and find the people and the resources that will help you succeed. Once you start using them and once you're with them, you can achieve and you will achieve anything you desire. So it's all about unity and coming together. So let's have a look at the couplet again. Alpanamapi vastunam samhatihi karyasadhika Trune gunatvamanir badhyante mattadantinaha. My take on this couplet is, even small things can accomplish greatness by forming an alliance. Just like a rope made of small strands can help tie an out-of-control elephant. So make sure you've got the right support and the right system around you to get you what you desire. Thank you for joining me today. Stay positive, stay tuned.